2019 Ford F150 Raptor Supercab, 2019 Ford F150 Raptor 7.0 to 2019 Ford F150 Raptor Review, New Cars By. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming from Ford brand. The title of the article we take is 2019 Ford F150 Raptor Supercab, 2019 Ford F150 Raptor 7.0 to 2019 Ford F150 Raptor Review, New Cars By. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Ford F150 Raptor Supercab, 2019 Ford F150 Raptor 7.0 to 2019 Ford F150 Raptor Review, New Cars By. The all-new Raptor has been finally released on the market a short while ago and so far it has not been as successful as Ford thought. Why? It seems one of the main reasons for this was its engine. The current version is being powered by a twin-turbo V6 which boasts more than enough power but people seem to not be as fond of it as first thought. In order to boost its sales, it seems an update is on its way with the upcoming 2019 Ford F150 Raptor. So far Ford didn't release that many details but they did confirm it which suggests the fact they have been thinking about it for a while. It seems the update will definitely bring a new engine and a few other upgrades but the core truck is set to remain the same as before. Pros: powerful exterior, excellent off-road possibilities, fast and safe pickup, and much more. Cons: the 10-speed is too much for such a capable pickup. 2019 Ford F150 Raptor Review. The new Raptor is still going to be based on the same high-strength steel ladder frame as before. This chassis is both strong and relatively lightweight. However, the truck is actually expected to receive some changes to its running gear. The 2019 Ford F150 Raptor will retain the all-aluminum body, so it should remain one of the lightest trucks around. Most suggest the Fox Racing shocks, as well as the springs, are set to remain the same as before. However, the truck may receive slightly bigger brakes in the front, especially since the current model proved it isn't really that capable when it comes to high-speed braking and fade resistance. On top of that, the rear differential might get upgraded as well in order to be able to withstand the output of the new motor. The 2019 Ford F150 Raptor will retain the all-aluminum body, so it should remain one of the lightest trucks around. Engine and specs. As we said, the ongoing model boasts a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 which is capable of delivering 450 horsepower and 510 lb-ft of torque. This allows it to get to 60 miles per hour from a standing start in just 5.0 seconds with a limited top speed of 107 miles per hour. The truck can still tow north 7,500 pounds which are usually on par with some of its rivals. Let's remind 2017 Raptor engine and specs. Engine type twin turbocharged and intercooled DOHC 24-valve V6. Horsepower 450 HP. Torque 450 lb-ft. Transmission 10-speed automatic. 0 to 60 miles per hour 6.2 SEC. Top speed 100 miles per hour. EPA City, Highway 15 to 21 mpg. Unfortunately, despite being capable, the EcoBoost engine is not all that loved as it boasts increased turbo lag and its reliability is still unknown. In order to change that, Ford is going to offer a second engine option with the Raptor. A new V8? That's right. The upcoming 2019 Ford F150 Raptor is also going to be available with a naturally aspirated V8. In fact, Ford is going to start manufacturing an entirely new 7.0-liter direct-injected naturally aspirated V8 engine at their Windsor plant. This new engine is expected to make over 500 horsepower and well over 500 lb-ft of torque which is actually better than the V6. This new engine is expected to make over 500 horsepower and well over 500 lb-ft of torque which is actually better than the V6. Thanks to direct injection and possibly a second port injection system, low-friction internals, and an all-aluminum design, the new engine would be lighter and more efficient than the V6 at high loads. It will also feature a double overhead cam design which is not that used in today's trucks. The engine will be mated to a revised 10-speed gearbox which will be specifically tuned for it. With it, the truck is expected to be faster, more capable as well as much better to drive than with the V6 which tends to be a bit too unresponsive at times. 2019 Ford F150 Raptor redesign. Not much will change with the 2019 Ford F150 Raptor in terms of looks. It seems the truck will look mostly the same on the exterior with only minimal changes meant to make the new V8 engine slightly more apparent. 2017 Ford F150 Raptor dimensions. Width 86.3 in. Height 78.5 in. Curb weight 5,600 to 5,800 pounds. Length 220 to 231.5 in EST. Wheelbase 133 to 145 in. A new front bumper without the usual EcoBoost intake will likely be installed, while the headlights could get unique inserts for the V8 model. This particular version might also boast a different exhaust in the rear in order to help the engine breathe slightly easier. The interior, on the other hand, will look the same as before. The only changes here will be the instrument cluster and the infotainment system. For the instrument cluster, Ford is expected to install a fully digital unit. The only changes here will be the instrument cluster and the infotainment system. The center stack, on the other hand, is expected to house a larger infotainment screen with possibly better hardware than before that will make it both easier and faster to use. Release and price. On the new Raptor, a number of innovations are expected, and one of them is the V8 engine. The tests have not even begun, so we expect the new model at the end of 2018 in the showrooms. The price is not yet available, but we expect it to be around $60,000. Thanks.